Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bristol, where the local time is 6:15 in the evening. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask that you remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Portable electronic devices for messaging, calls or internet access may now be used. Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. On behalf of the captain and the crew, it certainly has been our pleasure being of service to you on today's flight. We will shortly be handing you over to our ground agents who will be available to assist you should you need any further help from us inside the terminal. Thank you and a very good evening.